In this video, I will show you how to set up your JVC Smart TV. So once you have connected your TV to the power source and powered it on, you're gonna have to select your country from the list. To navigate on this list, use up and down arrow keys on your D-pad and press OK button to select the country. Then select the language in the very same way. Then click Continue. Then let's enable network connection so that we can install the software updates. So navigate to Enable using once again your D-pad and press OK. Then select available network and then provide a password to it. To enter a password, use your D-pad once again to navigate between digits and characters and use OK button to enter one, or to erase or correct your password, use delete button right here. And once you have entered the password, navigate to connect and press OK, then wait until you are connected to your network. Okay, and right now let's wait for the TV to download and install the most recent updates. After that, we're gonna have to select whether we want to sign into our account, or if you don't have an Amazon account, select the plus icon on the screen. So I'm gonna go with the first option right here. And right now, it will be much easier to simply scan the QR code you see on the right side of the screen and sign into your Amazon account using your mobile device. But if you want to do this using your remote control, you're gonna have to press the menu button as it says on the bottom of your screen. But using the remote for it will require you to enter the password using your remote control, which takes much longer time. So I will personally sign in using my smartphone. Okay, so once you have scanned the QR code on the right side of your screen using your mobile device's camera, or you have manually entered amazon.com/code in your web browser and enter the code you see below on the left side of your screen in the second step, you're gonna have to either sign into your Amazon account or create an account, which you can, by the way, also do right here. And it's much more convenient way to do that rather than doing it on your TV. So I'm gonna sign in to my account. So in the first field, we're gonna have to enter the mobile number or email. So let me enter my email and then tap continue. And then we're gonna have to enter the password. And once you have entered the password, you will be redirected to the page showing your device's code. It should be the same code that you see on your TV screen on the left side of it. So if it's the same code, just tap continue. If it's not, correct it and tap continue. Then tap connect. And once it says device connected to your account, we're just gonna have to wait for this process to be finished on our TV. So now let's select continue. You can save your Wi-Fi passwords to Amazon if you want to by clicking yes, or you don't, or you can select no and don't do that. Now we have to either accept or decline cookies, and if you want to read more about cookie policy, press menu button once again as it says at the bottom of the screen. Let's accept the cookies. Right now we can change it later in settings. Then let's wait for another moment. Then if you want to get a free trial of Prime, you're gonna have to select the first option, then enter your credit card details or debit card details and get a subscription for 1 month for free. But I'm gonna skip this step for now. We can do this later in settings once again. And then we can select the apps that we want to have on our TV right away. To do that, click Get Started. If you don't need any apps, just select No Thanks. I'm gonna go with Get Started just to show you how it sounds. So first of all, let's select the popular services. Just navigate between them using your D-pad once again and press OK to select. Then TV and music services, in the very same way, just select the ones that you want to have on your TV. Then games, if you don't want any games, just skip this step. If you want some, just select the games that you want. And then sports services. Then click continue, click finish, and then you can either subscribe to your to newsletter of Fire TV so that you'll get some news about Fire TV on your email. But if you don't want to do this, just click skip on the left, click OK. And then if you want to start scanning for TV channels, if you have a cable, a TV cable or an antenna cable or a satellite cable plugged into your device in your TV, you can scan for TV channels right now. You can do this later in settings if you want to. But so I don't currently have anything connected to my TV, so I'm just gonna select no. Then we can enable parental controls. Oh, I think we should actually, yeah, so should just click OK to enable parental controls. And now let's set them up. Okay, unfortunately I skipped the screen with the pin code set up, but basically what you have to do there is just enter your pin code if you have one, or if you don't have one, create a pin code. You can use your middle D-pad button or OK button as 0, then up as 1, right as 2, down as 3, and left as 4. And if you want to switch to 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, you're gonna have to press menu button, so the one in the top right corner of your D-pad. Okay, so once you have entered your pin code, you're gonna have to select what ratings you want to see on your TV. So just select the rating at which you want to stop. So if you want to, for example, limit some content that is available for some adult content, for 18 plus content, then just select DVB 18. If you want to restrict content for people older than 12, then select DVB 13, and or if you want to include 12, of course, select DVB 12. So yeah, just go with whichever selection you like the most, or if you don't want to restrict anything, just do nothing here, and then press forward button to continue. Then press OK. Select your account, and then wait for a moment until the home screen is loaded. So that's basically it at this point. The setup is finished. Hope that this video helped you, and if it did, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one. Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to reset sound settings on your JVC Smart TV. To reset sound settings on your TV, we're gonna have to navigate to the gear icon on the right side of the TV, then scroll down to Display and Audio tile and press OK. Then navigate to Audio Settings, press OK once again, and here on the sidebar, let's navigate down to Reset option. Once you click Reset, your sound settings will be reset to default ones. And that's how you do it. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one. Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to enable dynamic contrast on your JVC Smart TV. From the home screen of your TV, navigate to the gear icon on the right side, Then scroll down to display and audio settings. Here we're gonna have to go to the picture settings. Then select the input for which you want to enable the dynamic contrast feature. And once you have selected the input, select advanced settings on the sidebar. And in advanced settings, scroll down to dynamic contrast and switch it on. Then click OK, and that's how you do it. So, thank you so much for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one. In this video, I will show you how to disable system sounds on your JVC Smart TV. In order to disable system sounds, we're going to have to navigate to the gear icon on the right side of the TV. Then in settings, select display and audio. In display and audio settings, scroll down to navigation sounds and then switch them off. After you switch this option to off, the display sounds will be disabled. So that's basically it for this video. Now let's compare. Yeah, so that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one. Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to check the software version on your JVC Smart TV. First of all, from the home screen, navigate to the gear icon on the right side of your TV, and then select Device and Software tile, press OK, enter your PIN code if prompted, and then go to About section. Here in the About section, highlight your TV, and in your TV information menu, you'll be able to find your current software version, so your current Fire OS version right here. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one. Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to enable or disable ads autoplay on the home screen. So if you want to disable ads automatically playing on your home screen, you're going to have to go to your device settings by navigating to the gear icon on the right side of your home screen. Then you're going to have to go to Preferences and select Featured Content. Here, disable video autoplay and audio autoplay. And this way you will prevent the content from automatically being played on your device's home screen. And that's how you do it. Thank you for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one. Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to check the model and serial number on your JVC Smart TV. From the home screen of your TV, navigate to the gear icon on the right side of your TV to open the Settings menu. In Settings, select Device and Software and press OK. Enter your PIN code if prompted, and then enter the About section. Here in the About section, you're going to have to highlight your TV option, and on this list on the right side of your TV, you'll be able to find both the model name and the serial number of your device. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one. Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to reset input settings on JVC Smart TV. First of all, from the home screen, navigate to Inputs icon, and then select the input for which you want to reset sound and picture settings. Press Menu on it. Don't press OK. This will just select this input. Press Menu button on it. The menu button is the one that is highlighted on your screen right now. And then select Reset Input. And after that, all the settings for this input will be reset. So that's how you do it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel. Leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one. Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to adjust the sleep timer or set up the sleep timer on your JVC Smart TV. From the home screen of your TV, navigate to the gear icon on the right side to open the settings tiles. Here we're gonna have to navigate to sleep timer, open this menu, and select the value, the time value for our sleep timer. So for example, 15 minutes if you want your TV to turn off after 15 minutes. And if you want to disable the sleep timer, just go to this tile once again, just click OK to turn it off, and then the sleep timer will be disabled. And that's how you do it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel. Leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one. Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to reset picture settings on JVC Smart TV. On this TV, we can reset the picture settings for a specific input, and to do that, we first gonna have to navigate to the gear icon on the side of our TV to go to Settings Styles. Here we're gonna have to go to Display and Audio. Then in this menu, select Picture Settings and select your input. So select the input for which you want to reset picture settings. Then navigate to the bottom of the picture settings list, and there you'll be able to see Picture Reset option. Just click on it and the picture settings will be reset to default. And that's how you do it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel. Leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one. Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to change picture mode on your JVC Smart TV. From the home screen of your TV, you're gonna have to navigate to the gear icon. Then in Settings, select Display and Audio. Go to Picture Settings. Then select an input for which you want to change the picture mode. And then on the sidebar, select Picture Mode, which is the first option on the list, and change it to any available one. And then press the return button to return to the picture settings. Here you'll also be able to adjust additional settings for your currently selected picture mode. And that's how you do it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel. Leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one. Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to set color temperature on your JVC Smart TV. From the home screen of your TV, you have to navigate to the gear icon on the right side to open Settings, then go to Display and Audio Settings, then go to Picture Settings, and select an input for which you want to change the picture settings. And now on the sidebar, we're gonna have to scroll down to Advanced Settings. And here we'll be able to change the color temperature. So just navigate to the option that you need and select it. And here you can change it between cool, standard, and warm. And once you exit this menu, the changes will be applied. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel. Leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one. In this video, I will show you how to enable or disable ambient mode on your JVC Smart TV. From the home screen of your TV, navigate to the gear icon on the right side, then go to Display and Audio Settings. Here, you're gonna have to go to the screensaver option and open it. Now, you can choose your current screensaver. In this menu, you can also adjust the settings of it, but to enable it, you're gonna have to set the start time. The default start time is 5 minutes. You can either make it longer, you can make it as long as 15 minutes after inactivity, or you can disable it by selecting Never and the number value will basically prevent your screensaver from starting at all. And that's how you do it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one. Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to lock apps with PIN on your JVC Smart TV. To do so, we're gonna have to enable parental controls first. And to enable them, we're gonna have to go to Settings, then open Account and Profile Settings. Then go to Parental Controls. Switch them on and enter your PIN code or create one if you don't have one. Then find PIN Protect App Launchers and switch the toggle on. And after you switch its toggle on, all the apps on your TV will require you providing a PIN first before accessing them. And so that's basically it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below. And I'll see you in the next one. Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to enable developer options on your JVC Smart TV. From the home screen of your TV, navigate to the Settings icon on the right side, then open Device and Software menu, go to About section, and then highlight your TV option and click OK on it 7 times until you see the notification on your TV screen saying that you are now a developer. Then you can go back to the previous menu and select developer options. Here you'll be able to turn on ADB debugging and also allow some applications on your TV to install other applications from unknown sources. And that's how you do it. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one. Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to clear apps cache on your JVC Smart TV. First of all, navigate to the gear icon on the right side of your home screen, then go to Applications Settings. If you want to clear all applications caches, select the respective option right here, and then click Confirm to perform this action. If you want to clear the cache for a specific application, you have to go to Manage Installed Applications menu, then select the application that you want to fix, and select Clear Cache. And this will clear the cache for the selected application. And that's how you do it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one. Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to enable or disable notifications on your JVC Smart TV. First of all, from the home screen of your TV, navigate to the gear icon on the right side, then scroll down to Preferences and open the Preferences menu. Now in this menu, we're gonna have to scroll down to Notification Settings. Now here we'll be able to disable Do Not Interrupt mode. By switching it on, you'll basically prevent all the applications on your TV from sending you any kinds of notifications. But if you want to adjust notifications for specific applications, go to App Notifications list, and here you'll be able to enable or disable notifications for selected apps on your TV. And that's how you do it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one. Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to uninstall applications from your JVC Smart TV. From the home screen of the TV, let's navigate to this 3 square and a plus icon to open the list of apps we have installed on this TV. Then if you want to see the entire list, select App Library. Now here, select Installed on this TV. And what we have to do to uninstall an application is basically press the menu button, so the button that you see right here on your screen, once we have selected an application, and then download, and then select the uninstall option. Confirm by clicking uninstall, and after that the application will be deleted from your TV. And that's how we do it. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one. Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to check your network status on JVC Smart TV. From the home screen of your TV, navigate to the gear icon on the right side, then scroll down to Network. Now, if you go to Network menu, in order to refresh the network status, the network you're currently connected to, just click OK on it. And if there is no signal with your network, your connected status will change to no signal too. Now, if you want to check more information about your network status, go to Device and Software instead, go to About, and then highlight Network. And here on the sidebar, you'll be able to check all the information, all the status information you may need for your network. And that's how we do it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one. Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to switch inputs on your JVC Smart TV. If you are on a home screen of your TV, you just have to navigate to Inputs icon, and here you'll be able to switch to any available input that you have on your TV. However, the inputs that have some external devices connected to them will be highlighted. And from what you can see right on my screen, there are no highlighted inputs. That means that there is currently nothing connected to my TV. And if you are not on the home screen, you just have to press the Inputs button on your remote control, which looks exactly the same as the Inputs icon on the screen. And after that, on the sidebar, select the input that you want to switch to. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one. Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to connect your Bluetooth speaker to your JVC Smart TV. First of all, make sure to turn on your Bluetooth speaker and then put it into pairing mode, usually by holding down the Bluetooth button on your speaker. And after that, on your TV, you're gonna have to navigate to the gear icon on the right side, then go to Remotes and Bluetooth Devices, scroll down to Other Bluetooth Devices, go to Add Bluetooth Device, select your Bluetooth speaker in here.
Connected.
And this way you will connect to your Bluetooth speaker. If you want to unpair it from your TV, you're gonna have to press the menu button, or the three stripes button on your remote control, and then OK to confirm. And that's how you do it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one. Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to pin apps to home screen on your JVC Smart TV. First of all, let's open the list of all applications on our TV by navigating to this icon. Now open the apps menu here, then scroll to the application you want to pin to your home screen. For example, this UFC app. Now once we have highlighted it, you're gonna have to press the menu button on our remote control, so this one with three stripes on it, and then select Move. And now just move it to your pinned apps, which are located in the top bar, and just find a place for it and click OK. Now if you return to the home screen and wait for a moment, this application will appear on your home screen apps list. And that's how you do it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one. Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to enable Dolby Atmos on your JVC Smart TV. First of all, this feature is enabled by default on your TV, but you can still enable or disable or adjust it in the settings. So first of all, navigate to the gear icon on the right side of your TV to open settings menu. Then go to display and audio tile. And here go to audio settings. Then the first option you will see right here is the Dolby mode. And you can change it between music, news, film, or you can disable it by selecting off. And and that's pretty much it. We can also go to advanced settings and check the advanced settings for our Dolby speakers. And that's how you do it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one. Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to adjust screen aspect ratio on your JVC Smart TV. From the home screen of your TV, navigate to the gear icon on the right side to open settings. Here in settings, we're gonna have to navigate down to display and audio, and here go to picture settings and then select the input for which you want to change the aspect ratio. For example, I'm gonna go with the HDMI 1 input. Now, in order to adjust the aspect ratio, we're gonna have to scroll down to screen settings and open this menu. And here we can select one of the available ratios. So either the automatic one, which will automatically detect and apply the aspect ratio, or we can change it to 16:9 or to 4:3. And that's how you do it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one. Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to connect to the Wi-Fi network on your JVC Smart TV. First of all, from the home screen of your TV, navigate to the gear icon on the right side, then press on it and select network tile from the list. Then here we're gonna have to select the network that we want to connect to. Usually it would be the first one on the list, but if it's not, well, find your network right here. Then enter the password to it. To enter the password, you have to use your D-pad to navigate between digits and characters. OK button to select one. And if you want to erase the previous character, use the delete button right here. And this way, enter the password to your Wi-Fi network. Once you have entered the password, select connect and wait until you are connected to it. Once the status says connected, you can return to your home screen, and right now your TV is connected to the Wi-Fi network. And that's how you do it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one. Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to set purchase restrictions on your JVC Smart TV. To enable purchase restrictions, we're going to have to enable the parental controls first. To do that, we're going to have to navigate to the gear icon on the right side of the TV and then open either account and profile settings or preferences. Then find and open parental controls, enable them, and enter or create a PIN code. After that, find PIN Protect Purchases and switch this option on to protect your purchases with a PIN. And this way you will restrict making purchases for anybody who doesn't know your PIN code. And if you want to, you can change the pin by selecting the last option on the list. Here you're going to have to enter the pin code once, the current one, and then create a new one by entering it twice. And that's how you do it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one. Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to increase dialogue's volume on your JVC Smart TV. In order to increase or enhance dialogue's sound quality, we're gonna have to navigate to the settings on our TV, then scroll down to display and audio tile. Here, select audio settings, and then in audio settings, go to advanced settings. So right here on the sidebar on the right side of your TV, and then enable dialogue enhancer feature. Now we can set 3 different modes for dialogue enhancement, either low one, mid one, or high one. Test each one of them, see which one suits you the most, and just go with it. And this way you will only increase the dialogues in the movies or TV series that you're watching, and the rest of the sound will stay the same, so you'll basically be able to hear actors better when they're talking to each other. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one. Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to rearrange home screen applications on your JVC Smart TV. From the home screen, basically on the home screen, navigate to the app you want to change the position for and press the menu button on it. The menu button is the button with 3 stripes on your remote control. Just press it, then select move and select the new position for this app on your and the apps displayed on your home screen are the ones that are located in the top row. So just find a new position for this app and click OK. You can also do the same things with the applications that are not visible on your home screen. So if you want to put a new application on your home screen, you're gonna have to press menu button once you have highlighted it, and then select move and select a position for it. And that's how you rearrange apps on your device. So thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one. Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to check the system memory usage on your JVC Smart TV. To check the occupied system storage on your TV, you're going to have to navigate to the gear icon on the right side of your TV, then open Device and Software tile, go to About section, then scroll down to Storage, and here you'll be able to see how much of your storage is used and how much is available. Besides, you can also check the same thing in Apps menu, but you can also adjust this value a little bit by removing applications or clearing their cache in there. So in your settings, go to Applications menu, and then here you'll also be able to see how much of internal space is occupied and how much is available. You can clear all applications caches in here by selecting this option, and you can manage installed applications and uninstall them, uninstall the one that you don't need, by selecting an app that you want to uninstall and selecting uninstall option, or offload if you don't want to fully uninstall it. And that's how we do it. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one. Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to set display language on your JVC Smart TV. To do that, we're gonna have to navigate to the gear icon on the home screen, then in Settings, select Preferences tile, and then scroll down to Language option in here. Then you're gonna have to select the language that you want to use and wait until the operation is finished. It's gonna take a while probably. When it's finished, we can return to the home screen. And from what I can say, it takes a little while for the changes to be applied. But yeah, that's basically it. The language is now changed. Let's go back to preference. Let's select the language option and select English once again. And that's how you do it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel. Leave us a like and a comment below. And I'll see you in the next one. Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to adjust brightness and contrast settings on your JVC Smart TV. From the home screen of your TV, navigate to the gear icon on the right side, then scroll down to Display and Audio tile and open it. Here, go to Picture Settings, then select an input for which you want to change the brightness and contrast settings, for example, the HDMI 1. And now, in order to change the brightness and contrast, we have to go to Advanced Settings on the sidebar. So select Advanced Settings option, and here you'll have contrast, brightness, as well as some additional settings that you can change, like sharpness, tint, gamma, etc. Now, to change these values, you're gonna have to press OK button on the contrast, for example, and then move the slider either to the left to decrease contrast or to the right to increase it. And once you leave this menu, settings will be applied. So that's it for this video. Thank you for watching it. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one. Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to create user profiles on your JVC Smart TV. To do that, we're gonna have to navigate to the profile icon on our home screen, then scroll down and select Add Profile. Then we're gonna have to create a new profile by selecting the respective option on the screen. Now in the first field, we're gonna have to enter the name for our profile. So let's name it Pro, and then click Next. And then we can also change the profile icon by selecting the profile icon option and selecting one of the available ones. Click Add, and this way you add a new profile. Now if you click on it, you'll switch to this profile's home screen. And if you want to remove this profile from your TV, you're going to have to navigate back to it, then tap the pencil icon beneath it, and then select Remove. Confirm and wait until the profile is removed. And that's how you do it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one. Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to change Wi-Fi network on your JVC Smart TV. First of all, navigate to the gear icon on the right side of your TV and then scroll down to the network tile. Once you have opened the network tile, you will see the network that you are currently connected to. If you are, it will have the connected status beneath the name of it. Now, if you want to switch to another network, first of all, let's see all of them by clicking See All Networks. Then select the different network that you want to connect to, click on it, and then enter a password to it. Now, to enter the password, you can either use your D-pad arrow keys to navigate between digits and characters, OK button to select a digit or a character, and delete button to erase. And once you have entered the password, click connect and wait until you are connected. And if the status says connected, that means that you have successfully switched to your Wi-Fi network. And that's how you do it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one. Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to change the audio settings on your JVC Smart TV. From the home screen of your TV, navigate to the gear icon on the right side of your TV to open Settings menu, then go to Display and Audio tile, open it, then go to Audio Settings menu, and here we'll be able to change the Dolby mode, which is basically the sound mode, by selecting this option and then switching to the mode that we'd like to use. By default, it's set to Smart, so it switches automatically. Now we also have DTS mode, which is not available at the time. In advanced settings, we can enable or disable dialogue and answer. We can enable or disable volume leveler, and we can also change the balance between the right and the left speaker of the TV. And here we also have the equalizer, which is also not available at the moment. The last option right here is enabling or disabling TV speakers. So if you want to disable your TV speaker, just select this option and set it to off. And at the bottom, we can reset the sound settings. So if you want to reset sound settings, click right here. And that's how we do it. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one. Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to adjust color settings on your JVC Smart TV. From the home screen of your TV, navigate to the settings icon on the right side, then scroll down to Display and Audio settings. Here we're going to have to open Picture settings and select an input for which we want to adjust the colors. For example, I'm going to select HDMI 1. Then on the sidebar, we're going to have to navigate first to the color saturation. Here you'll be able to adjust your saturation settings to change the value, either move the slider to the left to reduce color saturation or to the right to increase it. In advanced settings, we can also change things like gamma and tint, which are also related to color, and we can also change the color temperature from cool to standard to warm. We can also adjust MPEG-NR and noise reduction, and we can enable or disable natural cinema effect if you want to. And yeah, that's basically it. That's how you change the color settings on your TV. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one. Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to pair an Alexa remote control with your JVC Smart TV. So if you are right now on the home screen and you cannot use your remote control, if you don't have any remote control to control your TV, then you can pair your remote control by, first of all, making sure that you have inserted the new alkaline batteries into it, and then holding the home button for about 10 seconds. Then the pairing process will start, and you're gonna have to accept it on your TV, once again using your remote control. Now, if you already have one remote control connected to your TV and you want to pair in another one, you have to go to Settings, then go to Remotes and Bluetooth devices, then go to Voice Remotes with Alexa. Now, the first voice remote is the one that is already paired with your TV, and if you want to add a new one, select Add Remote, and then repeat the same steps. Just hold down the home button for 10 seconds. Your new remote will appear right here, and you'll be able to add it to your remotes list. And yeah, that's basically it. So thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and comment below, and I'll see you in the next one. Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to change picture settings on JVC Smart TV. From the home screen of your TV, navigate to the gear icon on the right side to open the settings tiles. Here, we're gonna have to select display and audio, then select picture settings, and then select the input for which you want to change the picture settings. So, for example, let's select PlayStation. Then on the sidebar, we'll be able to change the picture mode and the list of additional settings like backlight, dynamic backlight mode, color saturation, screen settings, and in advanced settings we can also change the contrast, brightness, dynamic contrast. To change any of these values, we have to move these sidebars either to the left to decrease the value or to the right to increase it. Now we have local contrast here, gamma tint, color temperature, and all the rest of the settings. And once you leave this menu, the settings will be applied automatically. If you want to reset them, select picture reset right here at the bottom of the picture settings. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one. Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to clear cache and cookies on your JVC Smart TV. From the home screen of your TV, navigate to the gear icon on the right side, then open the Applications tile. Here, if you want to clear the cache for all applications on your device, select Clear All Application Caches, and then click Confirm to perform this action. If you want to clear the cache for a specific app, go to Manage Installed Applications, then select the app that you want to fix, scroll down to Clear Cache, and click on this option to clear the cache for this app. Then try relaunching it and see if it works better now. If you want to clear cookies, you have to go to Silk browser in the Applications menu. It will redirect you to Silk settings, where you're gonna have to select Privacy and Security, and then navigate down to Delete Browsing Data. Click on this option, then select which data you want to remove by hitting the checkbox next to the respective options, and click Delete Data at the bottom. Then confirm by selecting Delete, and that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one. Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to enable game mode on your JVC Smart TV. First, let's switch the input to our gaming console. So from the home screen, navigate to Inputs, then select your PlayStation, press OK, and now let's press Settings button on the remote control, and on the sidebar, navigate down to Picture. Here in Picture, select Picture Mode and switch it to Game. And this way, you will basically enable all the game mode settings that are available on your TV, as we don't have any other specific settings to improve our gaming experience, but this will already reduce our input lag and improve the picture quality. Now, besides, you can also look in settings by going to Display and Audio tile. Here you may have something like a auto low latency or ALLM option. If you have it here, make sure to enable it. It will also reduce your input lag. But if you don't have it here, it's most probably it just turns on automatically when you switch your picture mode to game. And so that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one. Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to access and use equalizer on your JVC Smart TV. From the home screen of your TV, navigate to the gear icon on the right side of the home screen to open settings, then go to display and audio. Go to audio settings from here, and now to get to the equalizer menu and to adjust it, we have to go to the advanced settings. But as you can see, the equalizer option is grayed out right here. That's because we cannot adjust the equalizer for the Dolby mode when it's enabled. Therefore, first of all, you're gonna have to go to the Dolby mode and disable it by selecting off. Now we can instead adjust the DTS mode, and here we can first of all select the preset for the equalizer. We have 6 available, so just select the one that you need and then go to advanced settings, go to equalizer, and here you can adjust the frequency for each you can adjust the decibels for each frequency. So just select how many decibels you want to add or remove for each frequency by moving the sliders you see right here next to each frequency. And that's basically how you do it. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one. Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to change pin code on your JVC Smart TV. To change the pin code on your TV, you're gonna have to navigate to the gear icon on the right side of your TV, then scroll down to Preferences tile and open it. Enter your pin code if you are prompted, your current one, then go to Parental Controls. Turn your parental controls on if they are not turned on, and enter your current pin code. Now, if you don't remember your pin code, you can either you can either watch the video on our channel that is titled how to disable pin code for this TV, or if you don't need too much guidance, you can just go to amazon.com/code webpage and sign in with your Amazon account there, and then just reset your pin code in there. Now scroll down to change pin option, click OK, then enter your current pin code and enter a new one, and then enter it once again to confirm. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one. Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to enable or disable HDMI CEC on your JVC Smart TV. To do that, we're gonna have to go to the gear icon on the right side of your TV, then scroll down to display and audio settings. Here you're gonna have to scroll down to HDMI CEC device control. Now we don't have a single toggle to disable HDMI CEC for some reason in this menu, but we can adjust one touch play settings, ARC settings, power control settings, and remote control pass-through settings. So we can toggle one touch play from always ask to allow or to deny. We can also enable or disable ARC, enable or disable power control, or remote control for a pass-through. Now to directly disable HDMI CEC, now I'm not sure if this feature will be available forever because it looks like a system bug, but basically what you have to do is ask Alexa to open display settings for you. So let me do this real quick. Open display settings. You can also say go to display settings and enter display settings, or enter audio settings too. And here you'll be able to find HDMI CEC device control. Just switch this feature off, and this way you will disable HDMI CEC on your device completely. And here you can also enable it. And that's how we do it. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one. Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to rename inputs on your JVC Smart TV. To rename an input, press the home button to go to your device's home screen and then navigate to Inputs section right here. Then in Inputs, select your input that you want to rename, and you can only rename your HDMI inputs. So in my case, I have two inputs that are HDMI. So in order to rename one of them, just press the menu button, the one that you see on your TV screen right here, and then select Change Device Name. Now, we cannot enter a custom name on this TV, as this function is meant for you to be able to call out Alexa to open a specific, to turn on a specific device for you, for example. So we can only select presets that Alexa will understand. And here we have game console, PlayStation, Xbox, Fire TV, Apple TV, etc. So just select the one that you would like to use with this input, then press Next, and your input will be renamed. Change the name back, just press menu button once again, select Change Device Name and select HDMI. And then Next again, and that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one. Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to perform a factory reset operation on your JVC Smart TV. First of all, before performing a factory reset operation on your TV, be aware that this operation will remove all of your accounts info, all of your settings, all of your media files that you have stored on your TV, as well as applications, etc. So be aware to back up your the data that you don't want to be lost, for example, on your USB flash drive. And after that, to perform this operation, you're going to have to navigate to the gear icon on the right side of your TV, select Device and Software, then scroll down to the last option, which is Reset to Factory Defaults. Click right here, then select Reset, and then wait until this operation is completed. After the restart, you will first see your TV's logo once again, or Fire TV's logo once again, and then you will see the location or region choosing screen. At this point, your device is fully reset. Now, if you want to set it up again, and if you need some guidance on your way, we have a separate video on our channel that will teach you on how to do that properly. So if you need our setup guide, go ahead and check it out. So you're highly welcome to do so. And that's it for this video. Thank you for watching it. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel. Leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one. Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to set up pin code on your JVC Smart TV. To do that, we're just gonna have to enable the parental controls on our TV. To enable parental controls, you're gonna have to navigate to the gear icon on the right side of your TV, then go to either Preferences or Account and Profile Settings menu. And here, well, I already have the pin code enabled. Here we're gonna have to go to Parental Controls and switch this feature on. So after you switch it on, you're gonna have to either enter your current pin code or create a new one. If you have to enter it, you just enter it once. If you create a new one, you're gonna have to enter it twice. Now, in order to enter or create a pin code, you're gonna have to use your D-pad, and as you can see, the middle D-pad button is 0. Now the upper one is 1, the right one is 2, the bottom one is 3, and the left one is 4. If you want to switch to 5 to 9, you have to press the menu button, and then menu button once again if you want to switch back to the 0 to 4. And In order to remove a digit that you enter, you have to press Rewind button on your remote control. And this way you can create a pin code for yourself. Now you can also change it in this menu by selecting the last option in here. Then you're going to have to enter your current pin code once and then enter a new one twice to change it. And that's how you do it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one. Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to update software on your JVC Smart TV. From the home screen of your TV, navigate to the settings icon and then scroll down to select the device and software tile. Click OK on it and then enter the PIN code if you are prompted to. After that, let's select the About section. Then navigate down to Install Update. Click OK and then wait until update is installed. For you to do this, you have to be connected to the network. So make sure that you are connected to one. And then just wait until your update is installed. Your TV will turn off and then restart in a moment. Now just wait until the update is downloaded and installed. Do not unplug your TV from the power cable or from the power source. And once the update is installed, your TV will restart again. So now just wait until we see the home screen, and after that the update will be basically finished and you'll get the most recent software for your TV. And that's basically it for this video. So thank you so much for watching it. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one. Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to enable and disable motion smoothing on your JVC Smart TV. To do that, we're going to have to navigate to the gear icon on the right side of your home screen to open Settings, go to Display and Audio tile, and here select Picture Settings. Then you're going to have to select an input for which you want to change the picture settings. And on the sidebar, scroll down to the Advanced Settings option and select it. Then navigate down to Natural Cinema. And Natural Cinema is quite the opposite of the motion smoothing. So basically enabling it will disable motion smoothing if motion smoothing was on this TV, but unfortunately there is no such option with such name on this TV. So basically enabling Natural Cinema will match the original 24 frequency of the playback, 24p frame rate of the playback to your device's frequency for more natural look and basically solving the soap opera effect for you. And disabling it will leave things the regular way. So yeah, so it will not. So disabling the Natural Cinema will basically not try to adjust your playback frame rate to your device's refresh rate. And that's basically how you do it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one. Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to configure HDR on your JVC Smart TV. So normally we'd be able to access the HDR settings by navigating to the gear icon on the right side of the TV, then scrolling down to Display and Audio settings, and here we should be able to see display settings. However, I'm not sure why, but I don't have display settings in here, and instead we have picture settings, which is not what we're looking for here. And in picture settings we cannot actually change the HDR mode. But if you have display settings in this menu, then you can go ahead and check and select it. However, if you don't, just turn on your Alexa. So press the Alexa button and ask the Alexa to go to the display settings. So let me do this real quick. Open display settings. It will redirect us to the same, pretty much the same menu, except for it's changed right now. Right now we don't have picture settings, instead we have display, and in display we'll be able to go to dynamic range settings and here select whether we want to enable HDR always when it's available. Select the adaptive mode for HDR, and then confirm. Or we can also disable HDR by selecting this feature. So just select the option that you need, and that's basically it. I hope that this video helped you, and if it did, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one. Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to connect your wireless headphones to your JVC Smart TV. First of all, you're going to have to make sure to put your device, your headphones, into the pairing mode. Now, there is no specific way for every headphones. However, once your device, once your Bluetooth headset enters the pairing mode, it will start rapidly flashing like this. And usually, your device will feature the power button or the home button somewhere on it, and if you hold it for a couple of seconds, it will put your device into pairing mode. Now on your TV, to connect your Bluetooth headphones, you're gonna have to go to the gear icon on the right side of your TV to open settings. Then here, select remotes and Bluetooth devices tile. Then go to other Bluetooth devices, select add Bluetooth device. Select your headphones, wait until your device is paired with your TV. It might take a while, and right now your audio output automatically switched to the headphones, and now you can use your TV with your headphones on. And if you want to unpair your device from your TV, you have to go back to this menu and then press the menu button on your remote control, this one, to unpair it, and then click OK to confirm. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one. Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to connect your gaming controller directly to your JVC Smart TV. First of all, you're gonna have to put your controller into the pairing mode, and if you are using the PS5 controller, DualSense controller like this one, in order to put it into pairing mode, we're gonna have to press and hold the PlayStation button and the Create button, this one. Press and hold them until you see the lights throbbing on your controller, and then on your TV, from the home screen, navigate to the gear icon on the right side of your TV, then scroll down to remotes and Bluetooth devices, go to game controllers, add a new game controller, then select the DualSense wireless controller that your TV detects around, which is the one I'm holding in my hands right now, and now your controller is successfully detected. To disconnect it, just highlight it in this menu and press the menu button, and then OK. Now, if it's an Xbox controller, for example, the only difference is putting your device into pairing mode. And to put an Xbox controller into pairing mode, you're gonna have to turn it on by pressing the Xbox button right here. And once it's turned on, hold down the pair button, which is located approximately in this location. So just hold down the pairing mode and then find your Xbox controller in the same menu where we found the DualSense one. And that's how you do it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one. Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to set content restrictions on your JVC Smart TV. To do that, we're gonna have to enable parental controls on this TV, and to enable parental controls, navigate to the gear icon to open settings on your device, then go to either account and profile settings or preferences, and then select parental controls on the list, enable them, and enter your PIN code. Now, in order to apply content restrictions, we have to go into both or either Prime Video ratings and broadcast ratings. In Prime Video ratings, we can select which ratings we want to lock and which ones we want to unlock. In broadcast settings ratings, we have to select the ages which are appropriate and which are for which the broadcasts are appropriate and for which ones are not. So if you want to block or lock the broadcasts for ages broadcasts appropriate, if you want to add broadcasts for ages 13 or older, just click on DVB 13, and this way you will lock the broadcasts that are meant to be shown for people aged 13 or older. And basically this way you can enable any option, any that you need, or you can select DVB 18 if you want to unlock, if you want to unrestrict all kinds of content on your TV. And that's how we do it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one. Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to connect your JVC Smart TV to the internet using the Ethernet or the LAN cable. So, of course, we're gonna have to use the Ethernet cable like this. One side of it has to be connected to either your router, or if you have an outlet that reaches your router in your house, then plug it into the outlet. After that, we're gonna have to connect the other side of the cable to our TV. And in order to do this, you're gonna have to find out the Ethernet port or the LAN port on your TV. It's definitely located on the back side of your TV. It's more reachable from either left or right side, though you don't necessarily have to see it from one of these sides. Usually they're located directly on the back side of your TV. So in my case, it's actually closer to the left side of the TV on the back side, and it's separate from all the other ports. So just look at the back of your TV, locate the LAN port, and insert your Ethernet cable into it. Make sure that it clicks once you insert it. And after that, to check whether or not you are successfully connected to the internet, go to the settings icon, then go to network. Here you should be able to see Ethernet configuration and connected status. That means that you are connected to the internet via your LAN cable. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one. Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to configure privacy settings on your JVC Smart TV. First of all, navigate to the gear icon on the right side of your TV to open settings. Here, go to Preferences tile, and in Preferences, we're gonna have to select Privacy Settings. Now in Privacy Settings, we'll have probably everything that you're interested in. So for example, in Manage Sharing from Apps, we can enable or disable sharing our app usage information with Amazon, So if you don't want to share the way you use your apps with Amazon, switch this off. In stored email addresses, we can basically just see the email addresses that we have stored on our TV. That's pretty much it. Cookie consent, we can disable or enable cookie usage on our device. Device usage data, the same thing as with the applications, but with the device, collect app and over-the-air usage data. So whether or not, yeah, basically it's everything about Amazon collecting your data. So yeah, it's pretty much all the same. Now, internet-based ads, so personalized ads, and your advertising ID. If you want to disable your internet-based ads, we have to disable this feature. And I think it would be better if you first go to your advertising ID and press the menu button to reset your advertising ID, and then disable internet-based ads. And here you can also enable or disable Amazon Photos and synchronization with Amazon Photos. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one. Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to scan for channels on your JVC Smart TV. First of all, you're going to have to make sure that either your TV cable or your aerial is configured with your TV. Make sure that it's plugged into your TV basically. And after that, navigate to the gear icon on the right side of your TV to open settings. In settings, select Live TV Tile, click OK, and then select Channel Scan. Then click Next, and then select your channel type, so either the terrestrial, cable or satellite. Then you can also select the provider for your channels. Now for other options, we'll also have some additional settings to choose. So for example, for cable TV provider, we have to we basically also have to select a provider, and for terrestrial we can only choose between auto scan and manual scan. So let's just let's select terrestrial and let's perform an auto scan. Now the scan will begin, and you will be able to track the progress. You will see how much of the scanning is complete for now, and how many channels your TV has found. Now in my case, it won't find anything because I don't have any cable connected to my TV except for the power one. And yeah, basically if you have connected your cables properly, then your TV will definitely be able to find the channels around you. And once the scan is complete, you can press the TV button on your remote control and start watching your TV channels. And that's basically it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one. Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to use voice commands with Alexa on your JVC Smart TV. To use voice commands with Alexa, you only have to make sure that your remote control is fully paired with your TV. So go to your device's settings by navigating to the gear icon on the right side of your home screen, and then scroll down to Remotes and Bluetooth Devices menu. Here select Voice Remotes with Alexa, and make sure that you have a voice remote with Alexa on the list. This is your remote control. Now, in order to start using your Alexa assistant, you're gonna have to press and hold the Alexa button right here, which it's always the blue button on your remote control, and then just speak into your remote control as if it was a microphone. And you can ask Alexa to, for example, what's the weather like today?
I'm not sure where you are. For future reference.
What's the weather like today in Berlin?
In Berlin, Germany, it's -1 degree Celsius with mostly clear skies.
Okay, and we can also ask Alexa to open apps menu, or we can ask Alexa, play Harry Potter.
Here's Harry Potter and l'école des sorciers.
So yeah, basically you just hold down the blue button on your remote control and then you speak into your remote control, and this way you can speak with your Alexa, ask her to do stuff for you, to watch videos for you, to open different menus on your TV, different applications, etc. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one. Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to reset network settings on your JVC Smart TV. So Amazon TV lacks the direct way to reset your network settings. However, we have several ways to do this. First of all, if you are using an Ethernet connection, you can just unplug your Ethernet cable from the TV, then wait for a couple of seconds and then plug it back inside. Now for the Wi-Fi connections, we have to go to settings, then open network, and then in network, in order to refresh the connection that we currently have, we have to highlight the network and just press select button on it. This will refresh the connection, but if it's not helping, you can basically just forget the network that you are connected to by pressing the menu button on your remote control, which is the button with stripes, 3 stripes on it, like this one. So just press menu button and then OK, and this way you will forget the network. And then you'll be able to reconnect to it by selecting it on this list. If you don't see it here, go to all networks, then select your network and then enter a password to it once again. Once you have entered the password, click connect and reconnect to the network. And so yeah, that's basically how you do it. You can also enable or disable the general network by switching this toggle to the off or on. And besides, one additional step that might help you is basic Wi-Fi troubleshooting tips. So you can check these tips. You can reboot your TV here, which will also refresh your network. And that's how we do it. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one. Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to adjust screen timeout on your JVC Smart TV. Unfortunately, there is no direct setting that would let you change that value on your TV, so you cannot directly change the time of your after which your TV will go to sleep. In order to do this, you're gonna have to use some external programs and connect your TV to your computer. However, we can still do pretty much everything, most of what we need to on the TV itself. And first of all, we can enable the sleep timer manually by holding down the home button. Then once the sidebar appears on the screen, you're gonna have to go to sleep timer, and here we can just set up the sleep timer for our TV for up to 4 hours. And if you want to disable it, just return to sleep timer menu once again and click OK to turn it off. Now, besides, if you want to do the opposite, if you don't want your TV to turn off automatically or to go to the screensaver automatically, first of all, we're going to have to navigate to this gear icon on the right side, then open display and audio settings. Here, let's, excuse me, I accidentally opened the wrong menu. Here we're going to have to scroll down to screensaver option. And in screensaver, scroll down to start time. And here we'll be able to choose never, which will basically never turn on the screensaver on this TV. Now, if you don't want your TV to turn off automatically, go to preferences and scroll down to auto turn off and disable this feature, then confirm your choice, and that's basically how you do it. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one. Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to restart your JVC Smart TV. First of all, we can of course restart the TV by by long pressing the power button on the remote control until the screen of the TV goes off, and then short press it once again after a couple of seconds. Though I'm not sure if, well, it definitely doesn't restart our TV all the way. So instead we can go to settings, go to device and software, and then select restart in here. Click restart to confirm, and wait until our TV is restarted. The other way to restart your TV is by holding down the power button, the physical one underneath your device. So just locate it with your fingers, and then you can either hold it down until the screen goes off, and then for maybe a couple seconds more. And this will make your TV restart. Or alternatively, you could have also short press the power button to enter quick settings of your TV. Then on the quick settings, navigate to power off option by short pressing your power button, the power button on your TV several times. And then once you have the power off option highlighted, just hold down the power button for 2 seconds. This will make your TV fully power off. Then you're going to have to wait for a couple of seconds and then press the power button once again to turn your TV off. And of course, the last option is simply unplugging your TV from the power source. So if your TV is absolutely unresponsive, just unplug it from the power source and then plug it back in after a couple of seconds, maybe a minute, if you want to power cycle your TV, and then power it back on, either using your remote control or the physical power button on it. And that's how we do it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one. Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to set up parental controls on your JVC Smart TV. First of all, navigate to the gear icon on the right side of your home screen to open settings. Then scroll down to Preferences, and in Preferences, go to Parental Controls. Here, enable them by switching this toggle on, or if you already have them enabled, then just enter your PIN code or create one if you haven't yet. Then, once the parental controls are enabled, we can PIN protect purchases. To enable or disable this feature, just switch this feature on or off. We can adjust the Prime Video ratings, so just select which ratings you want to lock, which ones you want to unlock. The broadcast ratings, here we have to select the ages, the restricted ones and the allowed ones. So just click on the age. For example, if I click on 13, it will lock all the broadcasts rated for people aged 13 and older. And if I select 16, right now, since if I select 16, it will do the same thing, but it will lock broadcasts for people aged 16 or older. So yeah, basically, I hope you figure it out. And then we can also enable or disable PIN protecting app launches, so basically protecting your applications using PIN code. So whether or not you want to enter, you're gonna have to enter the PIN code each time you open an application, or your child maybe. And then in the next feature, we can PIN protect a Amazon Photos application, which is basically just PIN protects app feature for one specific app. And at the very bottom of the list, we'll be able to change the PIN. To change the PIN, we have to select this option, enter the current PIN once, and then enter the new one twice. And that's how you do it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one. Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to install applications on your JVC Smart TV. First of all, from the home screen of our device, let's navigate to the App Store. Click OK. Now, to use the App Store, we're going to have to be connected to the internet. After that, we're going to have to select one of the 4 available categories to search for specific apps. Now, the first one, App Library, is the ones that are either are installed on your TV or were installed on your TV. Featured will show you some featured apps. Games will show you some gaming applications. And all categories is basically the list of categories from which you want to you can find a specific game. Now, you can also use the search field by navigating to the search tab and selecting the search field, and then either using your Alexa to search for an app for you, or using your D-pad to navigate on this keyboard and middle D-pad key to select a digit. And this way you can find an application that you want to install. Once you have found it, you're gonna have to select the application and then click Get icon right here, and then wait until this application is downloaded and installed. So now let's wait for a moment. And that's it. Now we can open an application by pressing display icon, or we can access the application through our apps menu. So go to this icon, then navigate to My Apps, and here you'll be able to find all of your applications that you have installed on your TV. Here is the application that we just installed. And that's how we do it. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one. Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to update applications on your JVC Smart TV. So this TV uses Fire OS system, which updates applications automatically. You just have to make sure that this feature is enabled on your TV. Unfortunately, there is no one way to update all applications at once, but this is the closest thing that we can get to it. So all you have to do is navigate to the gear icon, then on the settings list, navigate down to applications, open the applications menu, enter your PIN code if prompted, and then go to manage installed applications. Then go to the Appstore menu, and here enable automatic updates. So make sure that automatic updates is set to on. It's set to on by default, and this way your apps will update themselves in the background. So once your TV is inactive for a while, for example. But if you want to manually update your applications, you're gonna have to navigate to this icon on your home screen and then press OK to open the apps list. Now here we're gonna have to highlight the application that we want to update, and then press the menu button on it. Select More Info. And then if this application requires an update, you will see this download icon right here. And if we click OK button and then OK once again, we'll start downloading and installing an update for this particular application. Then we just have to wait until the update is finished downloading. Okay, and once the update is downloaded and installed, we can start using this app right away by clicking this play button, or just selecting the application in our apps list on the home screen. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one. Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to disable pin code on your JVC Smart TV. So, if you know the pin code, you just have to navigate to the gear icon on the right side of your TV and then navigate down, select account and profile settings in here, then press OK and then enter your pin code. Press OK and then navigate down to parental controls. And here you'll be able to disable your parental controls. So just select parental controls, enter your PIN once again, and disable them. After that, your TV will not require you to enter your PIN code every time you enter any kind of settings. Now, if you don't remember your PIN code, just reset it through the Amazon.com official website. The website you need to enter is Amazon.com/pin. So let me do it together with you. All you have to do is open a web browser on any device that you have that has an internet connection, of course, and to go to Amazon.com/pin. So like this, press OK and wait until this page is loaded. Now let's continue, and now we're gonna have to sign into our account, the account that is linked with our TV. So enter your account's email and password, and then press OK and wait until you are redirected to the following page. Here you'll be able to change your Prime Video account PIN. So all you have to do is click change right here and then enter a new PIN code. Click save, and then now our PIN is successfully changed. So now just do all the previous steps that I showed you using your changed PIN code. And that's basically how you do it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one. Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to configure app permissions on your JVC Smart TV. So let's start with the general permissions. In order to access a specific app's permissions, you're going to have to go to the settings on your device, then go to applications menu. In this menu, select manage install applications, and then select the application for which you want to adjust some permissions. Not all the applications use permissions, but for example, this one does. And if you select this one from on the list, you can go to permissions. As you can see, it asks us for the permission to use our files and media, and we can either deny or allow the usage of them for this app. And that's how you can do this for each application that requires permissions on your TV. But as you can see, not each application does. Now, the other kind of permission is a permission to install from unknown sources. And to activate this one or to change this permission, we're gonna have to go to Device and Software Settings, then go to About, and then highlight your TV option and press OK or select button 7 times until you see you are now a developer notification on your screen. Then go back to Device and Software menu, select Developer Options, go to Install Unknown Apps, and then select the applications you want to to allow this permission for. And the last type of permission I want to tell you about in this video is notification permissions. And to change the notification permissions, we're gonna have to go to the settings once again and then select preferences. Here we're gonna have to go to notification settings, Then go to app notifications and then disable or enable the notifications for specific apps in this menu simply by selecting an app that you want to either restrict or allow receiving notifications from. And that's how you do it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one. Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to connect your gaming console like Xbox or PS5 to your JVC Smart TV. To do this, we're gonna need to prepare, of course, the PlayStation or Xbox itself. In my case, I have PS5, and besides, we're gonna need an HDMI cable like this one. Try finding one with the better transmission speed. And after that, the first thing that we're gonna have to do is connect our gaming console to the power outlet. So locate the power port on the back side of your console. In case of PS5, it's located at the bottom of the back side, and plug in the power cable into it, and then plug the other side into the power outlets. And after that, we're gonna have to connect our HDMI cable into our console. So in this case, as you can see, the HDMI port is located right here. It's at the top of all the rest of the ports we have on this PS. So just insert one side of the cable into it, and then let's insert the other side into the TV itself. Now to locate the port, the HDMI port on your TV, you're gonna have to look from one of the sides of it, at the back side of back cover of your TV, from one of the sides, either left or right. In my case, it's the left one. Most commonly, it's the left one actually. So just look at the back of your TV and find the HDMI port in there. Now this TV should have actually two HDMI ports. I can only see one, but I think I know what the second one is. It's near the Ethernet port, but basically it doesn't matter which port we use to connect our console to. Just make sure to firmly plug in the other side of the cable into the HDMI port, and once the console is connected, just press the power button on it to turn it on. And after that, let's get to the home screen of our TV. Let's navigate to inputs, select HDMI, either 1 or 2, depending on which one you've chosen to connect your gaming console to, and click OK. And that's basically it. The console is successfully connected. We can start using it right away. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one. Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to set up a multi-profile account on your JVC Smart TV. So first of all, on the home screen of your TV, navigate to your account icon, and if you don't have an account added yet, then scroll down and select add an account, and then proceed by creating an Amazon account for your TV. Once you have done this, select the plus icon to add a profile. Now here you'll be able to add any account that you have registered in your Amazon. For some reason, we cannot add child's account. I don't know why, but probably because we only can adjust parental controls for all accounts on this TVs. And here you basically have to select create a new profile, then enter a new profile names. For example, let's just name this profile user. So use your on-screen keyboard and the D-pad to enter the digits and characters, then click next, and then click profile icon to select an icon for this user, and then click add. And now we have two different profiles. on our account, and we can select a profile that you want to use, and we can switch between them by going to this profile icon and switching between our accounts. We can also adjust the profile settings, though they are not specific for a single profile, but for all profiles we have on our TV. To do that, you're gonna have to go to the settings by navigating to the gear icon on the right side of the TV, and then selecting account and profile settings. Here we can have access to all the profile settings on our TV. We can manage our profiles by basically opening the menu we've been at previously, and we can also enable or disable parental controls here. We can open Prime Video. So yeah, this feature is not yet done in my opinion. So it's not too advanced. But basically, yeah, we can easily add new profiles to your account. And if you want to remove a profile, you're gonna have to navigate to it, then click the pencil icon underneath it, and then select remove, and then remove to confirm. And that's basically how you do it. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one. Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to reset the remote control for your JVC Smart TV. First of all, we're gonna have to turn off the TV. You can either hold down the power button on your remote control. If it's working, you can use your smartphone as a substitute. You can use the physical button on your remote control. Just hold down the power button at the bottom of your TV and wait for the screen to go off. Then unplug it from the power source and leave it like this for about for a minute. And after a minute, we're gonna have to hold down the 3 buttons combination on our TV's remote control. So this will be the left arrow key on your D-pad, the menu button right here, and the return button. Just press and hold them for about 12 seconds. Okay, and after that, remove the batteries from your remote control. So let's open the back side of the remote and remove the batteries, and then reinsert the power cable into the power outlet for your TV and turn it back on. Again, using the power button, physical power button beneath your TV. And then just wait for it to switch back on. Okay, and right now, after your TV is turned on again, and after some time, usually about a couple of minutes, you will see this notification on your screen. Your TV cannot detect your remote control. Now we're gonna have to reinsert the batteries back into the remote control, and then press and hold the home button for 10 seconds to repair your remote control. Okay, and once you see the remote connected message on your screen, that means that your remote control is successfully reset. And that's it for this video. Thank you for watching it. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one. Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to play media from USB flash drive on your JVC Smart TV. First of all, grab your USB flash drive. Right now it has to be empty because we're gonna need to check the format and whether or not it's compatible with the TV itself. Now you also have to check whether or not your TV supports USB 3.0s. In my case, this TV does, so I suppose your does too, but if you want to know for sure, you should check your device specifications on the internet. And after that, we're gonna have to insert this USB flash drive into our TV, locate the USB type A port. In my case, it's located well, it's always located on the back side. In my case, it's accessible from the left side of the TV, and it's also visible from the left side of the TV. Once you see it, just insert your USB flash drive into an available port. And if your TV doesn't recognize your file format of your USB flash drive, you will see a notification asking you whether or not you want to format your USB flash drive as an external or maybe as an internal device if you want to expand your TV storage. And all you have to do is select external device on the notification. Unfortunately, I don't see this notification because my TV recognizes the format of my USB flash drive, but you just have to select external device and let your USB be formatted to external device type. And after that, you can eject your USB flash drive from your TV and upload some files, some media files on it. So let me get back to you in a minute. And after uploading the media files on the USB flash drive, let's reinsert it into the TV once again. And then to switch to it, we're gonna have to go either press the menu button, the three stripes button right now, or go to the home screen, then navigate to inputs and select media player. We can also press the input button on the remote control and select media player. Now select the type of media that you uploaded and just play it. And yeah, that's the media that I uploaded here. So right now we can watch it on this TV, and yeah, that's basically how you do it. So after you finished, you can eject your USB flash drive right away. If you want to do it in a safer way, navigate to the gear icon on the right side of your home screen, then go to device and software, then go to USB drive, select eject, and then eject your USB flash drive from your TV. And that's how you do it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one. Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to use our smartphone as a remote control for JVC Smart TV. To switch your smartphone into the remote control that is compatible with your TV, we're first going to need to install the Fire TV application on our smartphone. So no matter which device you are using, whether it's an iPhone or an Android smartphone, we're going to have to go to the application store, so either the Play Store or the App Store if you're using iPhone. Then open the search field, then search for Fire TV. Find the Amazon Fire TV published by Amazon Mobile, click install, and wait until this application is installed. After that, we're gonna have to connect our TV and our smartphone to the same Wi-Fi network. So on your TV, make sure to just check which network you are connected to, navigate to the gear icon, then go to network and check your current connection's name right here. And then make sure that you are connected to the same Wi-Fi network on your smartphone. Okay, so right now let's wait until the Fire TV application is downloaded. Okay, so once the application is installed, let's open it. And right now, let's sign in to the same Amazon account we are signed in on our TV. So select sign in, enter your mobile number or email address in this field. So let me enter mine, then press continue. Then let's enter the password on the following page. Okay, and once you have entered the password, you'll be transferred to this page. Now select your TV on this list and wait for your TV to receive the connection. You will see this code on your TV screen. You're going to have to enter it in the application on your smartphone. And right now, you can start using your smartphone as a remote control for your TV. As you can see here, we have the D-pad, here we have the middle button, of course, the power button, the keyboard. Here we have the Alexa button. We have the applications menu here to quickly manage our apps from our smartphone. Besides, we also have more buttons like settings, touchpad, and we can also enable or disable vibration here. We have return button, we have home button, a menu button, rewind, play pause, or forward button. And if we swipe to the left, we will switch to the channels control button, where we also have the mute or unmute button. And on the right side, we have the applications list to quickly open an application on our TV. And so that's how we do it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one. Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to expand your JVC TV storage using a USB flash drive. So first of all, grab a USB flash drive that you want to use to expand your TV storage, and make sure you don't have any important files on it, basically any files at all. If you don't have any files on this USB flash drive, then back them up on your computer or basically elsewhere. And you don't need to format it before inserting it into your TV, because our TV will do everything for us once we insert it into the USB port. So yeah, just grab your USB flash drive. By the way, I'm not sure whether or not your TV will support USB 3.0s. Now, many TVs don't support USB 3.0. However, this one in front of me does. And I guess you should check the specifications for your specific TV to check whether or not it supports USB 3.0 to get to know whether or not it does. And after that, locate the USB port. Usually it's located, it's always located on the back side of your TV, either accessible from the left or from the right side of your TV. In my case, I can see it from the left side of my TV. So once you have located it, just insert your USB flash drive into your TV and wait for the notification to appear on your screen. Now, once this notification appears on your screen, in order to use this USB flash drive as your device's storage, you're gonna have to select device storage, click OK, and yes, and yeah. Once again, make sure that you don't have any files on this USB flash drive, because it will be formatted. Click yes and wait until the USB flash drive is formatted. It might take a couple of minutes. And once the USB drive is formatted, it will become the part of your device's internal storage, and you'll only be able to use it with your TV. Now, it's not an unrecoverable operation. We can still reformat our USB flash drive on our TV or on our PC, for example. Okay. Click OK, and yeah, and right now the storage of this TV has expanded by 64 gigabytes in my case. Now the last thing, if you want to remove this USB flash drive, if you want to reformat it to the regular USB flash drive format, so you can basically eject it from your remove your USB flash drive from your internal storage. You're gonna have to navigate to settings, then go to device and software, then go to USB drive, and then select format to external storage. This will turn your USB flash drive into just a regular USB drive. Okay, and then you can also go back to USB drive, select eject USB drive, and then you'll be able to safely remove your USB flash drive from the TV. And that's how you do it. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one. Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to configure app preferences on your JVC Smart TV. First of all, we're gonna have to navigate to the gear icon on the right side of the TV to open settings. In settings, go to applications menu. Now in the applications menu, we can change some general preferences. For example, automatic offload. You can enable or disable it. This feature will automatically offload the applications that you don't frequently use after some time of inactivity in order to optimize your storage use. In the Appstore menu, we can have access to many different preferences, settings like auto updates, external market links and their usage, enabling or disabling in-app purchases, and we can also enable or disable notifications for the App Store or related to the App Store. Now, going back to applications menu, we can also go to manage installed applications, where we can adjust permissions for each app separately. To do that, we're gonna have to select an application that requires some additional permissions, and if it does, you will be able to see the permissions menu once you open this app's settings. Now in this case, this application wants us to use files and media on our device, and we can either allow it to do so or deny the access by selecting the respective option. Besides, for each application, we have options like offloading the application, clearing the data of the application, clearing the cache, clearing defaults, and selecting how we want to open supported links, and also managing the checking the list of supported links for this application. Now, that's not all the things that we can do. If we go back to settings, we can also go to preferences, and then we can, for example, go to notification settings here, and go to app notifications and disable or enable notifications for each application we have installed on our TV. Besides, I think that's pretty much it. Of course, we can also adjust the application's position on our home screen. To do so, you just have to highlight the application either on your home screen or in your app library, and press menu button on it, and then select move, and so this will let you move the application on your apps list. Then press OK when you're done. And the last thing that I want to tell you about is how you check which permissions your app requires on install. So basically, what permissions you give an application once you install it. To do so, we're gonna have to press menu button once we highlighted an application that is not pre-installed on the TV, and then click more info. Now this will basically open the App Store page for this application, and if we go to the very bottom of this page, we'll be able to check permissions, and in permissions menu you'll be able to see all the permissions that this app will require to run. And so that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one. Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to cast your iPhone screen to your JVC Smart TV. First of all, we're going to have to make sure that both devices, your TV and iPhone, are connected to the same Wi-Fi network. So on your TV, navigate to Settings icon, or to the gear icon on the right side of your TV, go to Network and check which network you are connected to, if you don't know already. And then make sure that you are connected to the same Wi-Fi network on your iPhone. So on your iPhone, swipe down the control center and then check the Wi-Fi name on this in here. If you are connected to a different band of the same Wi-Fi network on your iPhone, that shouldn't be a problem most commonly. So as you can see here, I am connected to the Matrix Wi-Fi network, and on my iPhone I'm connected to Matrix 5G. This TV doesn't support 5G, but it shouldn't be a problem with the casting. Shouldn't be an issue for mirroring. So right now we're gonna have to navigate back to settings on our TV and then scroll down to display and audio. Then in display and audio menu, go to Apple AirPlay and HomeKit and open this menu. Here, just make sure that AirPlay is set to on. You can also change some additional AirPlay settings, like if you don't want to require the code when you connect to your device, you go to require code. And okay, we don't have an option to disable this, but we can either switch it to every time or use the password instead. We can also adjust subtitles and captioning and reset pair device in here. So if AirPlay is set to on, all we have to do is swipe down the control center on our iPhone once again, and then tap on the screen mirroring tile right here. If you don't see it here, then you're gonna have to hold your finger down on the control center, tap Edit Control, and then select screen mirroring tile right here. Here we have it in the, I don't know which category it is, but it's at the very top of the rest of them. So once you click on screen mirroring option, select your TV and then enter the code you see on your TV screen on your smartphone. Click OK. And right now the screencast has begun. So we can open basically any application on our smartphone and then start playing videos on it. Some other ones in here, but let's open the channel. Let's, for example, try playing this one. Okay, we have the ads. So, but for a moment you could have seen that our TV will automatically switch to the full screen mode once we start playing the video on YouTube on our iPhone. And this feature also works with some other applications like Photos. So if we open Photos on our iPhone, we'll also see the photos in full resolution without the borders of the application that we can see on an iPhone. And yeah, that's basically it. Now, in order to stop screen mirroring, we're gonna have to swipe down the control center once again and then tap on this icon and click Stop Mirroring. So that's how you do it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one. Welcome. In this video, I will show you what to do if the remote control isn't working correctly with your JVC Smart TV. First of all, grab your remote control and check if the batteries are good in it. Maybe you should replace the batteries. Generally speaking, while you're doing all this stuff, you can use your smartphone as a remote control for your TV, using the Fire TV application. And if you need some guidance on how to use your smartphone as a remote control, you can check out the self-titled video on our channel. So the video titles how to use your smartphone as a remote control for JVC Smart TV. And then using your smartphone, you can go to settings, you can go to remote and Bluetooth devices, voice remote with Alexa, and if you find your voice remote with Alexa on the list, you'll also be able to check the current battery level of your remote control. Now, if you don't see your remote control in here, then you should definitely pair your remote control with your TV. To do that, just hold down the home button on your remote control for about 10 seconds. You will see the pairing request on your TV screen. You're just gonna have to accept it, and then your TV will be connected with your remote control, and this should resolve the issue. Now, in some cases, you may have to repair your remote control with your TV, and in order to do this, you're gonna have to go through the specific list of steps. First of all, turn off your TV. You can use the physical button beneath your TV to turn it off. So let's go to power menu by short pressing the power button beneath the TV, and then press power button once again until you select power off. Hold your finger down on the power button, and this will switch off the TV. Now, next, we're gonna have to unplug the TV from the power source and leave it like this for 1 minute. Then let's proceed with the following steps. Okay, so after a minute of your device being turned off, let's hold down the specific combination of keys on the remote control, the menu button, the left arrow key, and the return button. Press and hold these three buttons simultaneously for 12 seconds. So let's count together: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. Then we can release all of these buttons, and then we're gonna have to remove the batteries from the remote control. So let's open the back cover of it and remove the batteries from here. And after that, we're gonna have to plug the TV back into the power outlet and wait for a couple of seconds, and then power it on using the physical button beneath your TV. And now let's wait until the TV is turned on, and once the TV is turned on, you're gonna have to wait for a couple more minutes until you see the remote not detected notification. Okay, so basically once your TV is restarted, if you see the notification about your remote not being detected, just reinsert the batteries into your remote control and then hold down the home button, and after a couple of seconds you will receive a notification about repairing your remote control. Accept it, and after that your remote control should be reconnected with your TV. If even this doesn't help you, then at this point this might be a hardware issue with your remote control, and in such case you can either use your smartphone as a substitute or buy yourself a new remote control for your TV. And that's it for this video. I hope that it helps you, and if it did, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one. Welcome. In this video I will show you how to schedule auto turn on and off on your JVC Smart TV. So unfortunately the Fire OS will not let us do this directly on the TV, but we can still easily do it using our smartphone. So grab your smartphone, no matter whether it's an Android or an iPhone device. All we have to do is open the Play Store or the App Store and search for Alexa application. Once you find Amazon Alexa from Amazon, click install and wait until this application is installed on your TV. And in this application, we'll be able to set up the routines for scheduling the auto power off and power on our TV. So right now, let's wait until this application is downloaded and installed. And once the Alexa is installed on your smartphone, let's open the app and then let's skip the introduction screen. But before we do that, you're going to have to sign into your Amazon account. This has to be the same one that you are signed in on your TV. So let's enter the email and then the password, of course. Let me do this off the screen. And then you're going to have to tap sign in. Wait until you are signed in. Now select your name, skip, set up my features, later, skip, later. That's everyone, done. Okay. Then you're gonna have to tap on this icon on the bottom bar of your application, later, this one, and then go to routines. Once you have opened the routines section, you're gonna have to tap the plus icon in the top right corner of the application. Now, here in the when section, add an event and select schedule. Then select add time. For example, at time, we can also use sunrise or sunset. If you want to turn on your TV on sunrise and turn it off on during sunset when the sun sets, or the other way around. Or if you want to use specific time, select set time. Then in the repeat section, we can choose the days when we want our TV to turn on automatically. So let's use each day of the week. And at time, here let's select 8 a.m. Click OK, then click next in the top right corner of the screen. And then Alexa will click the plus icon right here. Then find your Fire TV and select your TV here. Then select turn on. Then next and save. Okay, and so the auto turn on is scheduled. Now, if you want to schedule auto turn off, tap the plus icon once again and select. Now in when, we have to select the same thing. So the schedule and then at time and then repeat at time. Let's set, I don't know, 12. Okay, next. Oh, misclick. Next, and then save. Oh no, not save, but okay, we can still edit this routine. To edit your routine, go to your routines and now select your routines tab. Then go to the one that we haven't finished. And here, of course, we're gonna have to add an action and select our Fire TV once again. And then turn off. Then next. And then finish. And so right now, the auto turn on and auto turn off of the TV are scheduled. And that's how you do it. Thank you for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below. And I'll see you in the next one. Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to cast the screen of your Android device to your JVC Smart TV. First of all, we're going to have to make sure that both devices are connected to the same Wi-Fi network. So on your TV, open settings and go to network and check which network your TV is connected to. Then on your Android smartphone, swipe down the quick settings or the control panel and make sure that it's connected to the same Wi-Fi network. And after that, we're going to have to enable the screen mirroring feature for Android smartphones on our TV by going to settings once again, selecting display and audio, and going to enable display mirroring. Click yes. And right now on our smartphone, we're gonna have to find the display mirror, the guesting feature or the display mirroring feature. It's also located in the quick settings. So check your tiles here and find the cast option on the list. If you cannot find it on this list, and by the way, it may also be called smart share or share smart view on Samsung, or also Samsung DeX on some Samsung devices. Generally, Samsung has a way with naming stuff, but yeah, it's basically all the same feature that uses the same technology but with different names. So just search for an icon that looks like this, and then if you cannot find it here, tap the pencil icon to edit your shortcut menu, and then tap the plus icon to add a new tile. Find the cast tile in here and tap on it. Then it will be added to your tiles list. Now tap on it and then give it all the permissions that it requires, and find your TV on the list. Then select it and choose which screen you want to cast, whether it's an entire screen or a single app, which is not supported in my case for some reason, but we can still cast an entire screen. Then tap cast. Then wait until your devices are connected to each other. Okay, and the screen mirroring has started. Now we can open different applications on our smartphone. We can play videos, we can view photos. If we play videos from YouTube, they will be played in full screen resolution, so they will not be just they will not be played vertically. So let's try to open the video. Let's quickly skip to that. Okay, and if we put the video on a full screen on our smartphone, it will be also played in full screen mode on the TV. Besides in YouTube, we can also tap this icon in the top right corner, right here, and here we're gonna have to link the. Okay, so we have to do it separately. In this case, so I'm gonna have to stop my TV casting first. To do so, we're gonna have to swipe down the control center once again, find the cast tile, tap on it, and the screencast will stop. Now, if we tap on this icon in YouTube, we'll be able to link our TV. But to do so, we're gonna have to open the YouTube app on our TV device, then go to settings, and basically follow the instructions that we see right here. Or we can wait until we see the TV on the list. But to do so, we're gonna have to enable screen mirroring once again on our TV. Now let's wait. I'm pretty sure it should pop up on the list. But if it doesn't, we can still link it using the TV code. Okay, well, so that's basically it. That's how you do it. Thank you so much for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel. Leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one. Welcome. In this video, I will explain how to fix most commonly occurring HDMI issues on JVC Smart TV. So first thing you should try to do is unplug the HDMI cable from both the external device and your TV and inspect it from any visible damage. Maybe the HDMI cable is the issue, maybe it's not connecting your devices too well, maybe it's just slow in transmission speed and it's just not enough for your devices to work together. Try swapping it with another HDMI cable if you have one around, and just and just see if it works for you. Also, make sure that the external device that you're using with your TV is also separately connected to the power source, as the HDMI cable is not enough for powering your external device. So if you're using a gaming console, besides using an HDMI cable, also make sure that it's powered on, so make sure that it's plugged into the power outlet, and also make sure that it's turned on, by the way. It usually, all the external devices usually have power buttons somewhere on them. Now, if this doesn't help you, try power cycling your TV. To do that, let's turn off the TV by either pressing power button on the TV itself or on the remote control. Then unplug it from the power source and leave it like this for about a minute. And then after a minute, you're gonna have to reinsert your TV into the power source and then turn it on. And then check your HDMI connection once again. Now let's wait until the TV is turned on. Okay, now let's press the input button, and always make sure to select the highlighted input. Okay, if we press the input button, we will see our inputs on the sidebar on the right side of the TV. And if you select the inputs on the home screen, you'll be able to see the inputs in here, and the ones that are active will be highlighted. So right now I don't have anything connected to my TV via HDMI, so all the inputs are dark gray. But if some HDMI input is active, it will be slightly more lit. And next, after power cycling your device, let's try to reset the picture settings for the selected input. So to do this, you're gonna have to select an input and press the menu button on your remote control, or the three stripes button. And no, it doesn't seem okay. Hold down the home button on your remote control, and then scroll down to picture. And here, try resetting picture settings by selecting this option. And if resetting the picture settings doesn't help you, then the last thing that we can do is enabling or disabling HDMI CEC controls. To do so, go to settings on your device, go to display and audio settings, then scroll down to HDMI CEC device control, and try enabling or disabling each feature you see on the screen, and see if this helps you. Now, we can also toggle on or toggle HDMI CEC on or off fully with one toggle. But to do so, we're gonna have to open hidden settings on our TV, and to open them, you have to ask Alexa to open display settings or open audio settings for you. This will open basically the same settings, but that are slightly different. So just ask Alexa, hold down the Alexa button on your remote control and say open display settings, and it will redirect you. Okay, didn't. Let me try this once again. Open display settings, and it will redirect you to display and audio settings. Now here we can go to HDMI CEC device control and switch it off or on. Besides, you can also go to display, and here you can also enable or disable HDR. For example, though I don't think this might be the issue. And calibrate display scale, but since we can only do this on the home screen, I don't think this will actually help you. Besides, we cannot do much in here. And that's basically it. Those are the most common solutions for HDMI issues on your TV. So I hope that this video helped you, and if it did, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one. Welcome. In this video, I will briefly explain how to control your JVC Smart TV using Alexa app. To do this, we're going to have to download and install the Alexa app on our mobile device, no matter whether it's an Android or an iPhone, smartphone. We first going to have to download the Alexa app from either the Play Store or the App Store. So open it and open the search field. Then let's search for Alexa application. Find the Alexa in your store. Find Amazon Alexa from Amazon Mobile and tap install. Then wait until this application is downloaded and installed on your smartphone. And once it is, you have to open it. Okay, let's wait for it to install. Now, once we open this application, let's sign into the same Amazon account that we are already signed in to on our TV. So first of all, we're gonna have to enter either our mobile number or email in the first field. And then tap continue. And then enter your password. I'm gonna do this off the screen. And tap sign in and wait until you are signed into your Amazon account. Then we're gonna have to go through the introduction screen. So select your account. Usually it's an account holder. Then let's skip this step. Set up my features and let's well, we can allow Alexa access our contacts, but we don't need this for the TV. Let's skip this too. Notifications can be skipped too. That's everyone done. Yeah. And now we can get to use this application to control our TV. So later, now in order to access our TV and our TV settings in this application, we're gonna have to tap the light bulb icon on the bar below and then select your TV. Now here we can check the remote status. We can switch the speakers between the built-in speaker and the external ones. We can change the device location, time zone, group. In general settings, we can adjust sound. We can enable or disable do not disturb mode. We can also enable or disable adaptive listening. I'm sorry, I'm just trying to focus, make camera focus on the smartphone's screen. I guess the way it will be better. Okay, let me just adjust the brightness a little bit because my brightness doesn't seem to be working right. And yeah, as you can see, the language, the screensaver, measurement units. So most of these features are also available on the TV itself. But besides, we can also ask Alexa something here or ask Alexa to do something, for example, on our TV. And we can also schedule routines for our TV. To do so, we're going to have to tap on this icon right here, then go to routines. And then to create a new routine, we're going to have to tap the plus icon in the top right corner. For some reason, I can't even tell whether there is a plus in there. The camera is miraculous today. Yeah, so the plus icon in the top right corner. Now, in when we have to select any event. For example, schedule. Let's schedule auto turn off for our TV, for example. So let's schedule. Let's make our TV to turn it off at sunset, and then let's select time offset. So how many minutes before or after sunset? So let's say 10 minutes after sunset each day, our TV has to be turned off. Then location, we're gonna have to select a location. Okay, let's go with this point on map. Tap save. then tap next, and then let's add an action. And in an action, we will have to select our TV. So find your Fire TV and then select your JVC. And now we can make our TV do all kinds of stuff like pause video, decrease volume, turn off, turn on. So I said it will be an auto turn off schedule. So I'm gonna select turn off, and then let's tap next, and then let's save this routine by tapping save at the bottom. And this way we just made our TV automatically turn off each day after 10 minutes after sunset somewhere in Washington. Yeah, that's basically it. That's pretty much all the capabilities or possibilities for you with the Alexa app for controlling your JVC Smart TV. So thank you so much for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one. Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to fix most commonly occurring Wi-Fi issues on your JVC Smart TV. Before trying to troubleshoot your TV, first of all, check if your Wi-Fi router is functioning properly. So make sure that other devices with internet access that you have around can freely use your Wi-Fi router to connect with the internet. So just open some web applications on your other devices connected to the same Wi-Fi router, and if they use your Wi-Fi and if there is no problem on them, then it's definitely something with your TV or with maybe a compatibility between your TV and your Wi-Fi router. First of all, you're gonna have to set aside all the wireless devices you have around your TV so they don't interfere with the connection. So all things like wireless Wi-Fi speakers, your smartphones, maybe consoles or anything that you may use Wi-Fi, set it aside from your TV and then check your Wi-Fi connection once again, which you can do of course in the network settings. So navigate to the gear icon on the right side of your TV and then select network tile. Here in the network tile, check the status of your network, see if you are connected to it, and if in order to refresh the connection status, you just have to press OK on the network that you are connected to. You can toggle network off by switching the enable network from on to off. Then wait for a couple of seconds and re-enable network. Click turn on and let your device reconnect to the network. Now, if your network uses two bands, for example, as you can see, in my case, this is the same network, but this one is 2.4 gigahertz band, and this one is 5 gigahertz band. Try connecting it to to each one of them, and see which one actually works with your TV, because this might be a frequency problem. And if your network isn't divided into two different bands, you can actually change it in the router settings. However, I cannot show you it in this video. You can check the tutorials for your router on how to do that. And besides, you can also restart your router and try reconnecting your TV with your Wi-Fi network after that. Now, you can also forget the networks you see right here by pressing the menu button, which is the three stripes button you see on the side of the TV. Then press OK. And this way you can forget all the networks. Then try reconnecting to the network. Enter the password to it once again. And once you have entered the password, click connect. And then check your network status once again. Now, if this still isn't working for you, then instead of using your Wi-Fi router, you can create a mobile portable hotspot on your smartphone. In network settings of your smartphone, you can create a portable hotspot and try to connect to it, because maybe there is a compatibility issue between your TV and your Wi-Fi router, and your TV simply is not compatible with the Wi-Fi. And if your TV can freely connect to your portable hotspot on the smartphone, this might as well prove that point. Besides, we can also power cycle the TV. To do so, just click the power button, the physical power button on your TV, short press it, then short press it a couple more times until you have the power off option selected or highlighted, and then hold the power button for a couple more seconds to power your TV off. Then you're gonna have to unplug your TV from the power source, so from the outlet, and then after a minute, plug it back in, wait for a couple of seconds, and short press the power button on your TV once again to let it turn back on. And then wait until the TV is turned on again. And if even after the restart you still have the same issue on your TV, let's also check some additional settings. So go back to settings, then select preferences, and in preferences make sure that the synchronizing time and date is switched on, because if it's switched off, then this might be the issue. And just synchronize date and time, and then either wait for a while or restart your TV once again. Also, well, in time zone we cannot change much, but if you can change the time zone, then set it to the proper one and wait for a while, and then check your Wi-Fi connection once again. And as the last resort, you can perform a factory reset operation on your TV. However, this will delete all the data from your TV, so be cautious with it. If you have some sensitive data on your TV, then first back it up somewhere else using a USB flash drive, and then go to Device and Software, select Reset Factory Defaults, and perform a factory reset on your TV, and this might as well resolve your issue. And if it doesn't, then this might indicate some sort of hardware issue inside your TV, and in such case you should contact JVC customer support service and tell them about this issue, and maybe even send your TV to them for repair. And that's basically it for this video. I hope that it helped you, and if it did, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one. Welcome. In this video I will show you how to solve most common audio issues on your JVC Smart TV. Start by checking the basics. So press the mute button on your remote control, make sure to unmute your device. Once your device is muted, you will see this icon at the top of your device screen. In such case, you just have to press the mute button once again to unmute it, and also adjust the volume levels using your volume buttons. Then let's check the audio output settings. So navigate to the gear icon on the right side of your TV, go to display and audio settings, then scroll down to audio output and make sure that your TV speakers are on. Then go to digital audio format and either choose auto here so that your TV automatically detects chooses which format to use, or you can adjust the format yourself. Basically, you can just switch to different formats and see which one resolves your audio issues, if any of them do. And then let's go back to display and audio settings, and let's go to HDMI CEC device control, as this feature may interfere with your audio, with the audio on your device, and we don't want it to do so. So let's disable it. To disable it, just disable each option we have right here. So one touch play, ARC, power control, and remote control pass through. But we can also disable HDMI CEC fully, since, as you could have seen, we didn't have one simple toggle to do that in the settings. We still can do this on this TV. All we have to do is ask Alexa, so press the Alexa button on the remote control and ask Alexa to open audio or display settings on the TV. So let's do this. Open audio settings. And it will transfer us to this menu, which looks similarly to the one that we've already been, where we've been. But here we have this HDMI CEC device control setting, and we can disable it just by toggling it off. In audio settings here, we can only enable or disable navigation sounds, though I don't think this will be this can help us. And we can also change the surrounding sound. So here in the surround sound, you can also try switching the surrounding sound source. By default, the best available is selected. So once again, this feature should work just fine in most cases. Now the next troubleshooting step is disabling all kinds of Bluetooth devices that are connected to our TV, because the sound simply might be rerouted to them. And to check for Bluetooth devices, you have to go to remotes and Bluetooth devices, then go to other Bluetooth devices and check if you don't have any Bluetooth devices connected to your TV. And if you do have a device right here, you can unpair it by pressing the three stripes menu button and then select button to remove it from the list. And if this doesn't help you, you can simply restart your TV. Either hold down the power button for it or go to device and software in settings, select restart and wait until your TV is restarted. Then check your sound after the TV is restarted, and if the issue still isn't resolved, let's check for the software updates for our TV by going to device and software once again. Then select about section right here, select check for updates. Let your TV check for available updates, and if you've found anything, then make sure to download and install the most recent updates. There might be some software fixes related to your issue. Let your TV install the latest software version and restart after that. And if the problem doesn't go away after that, let's go to display and audio settings. Let's go to audio settings. Now let's select advanced settings here and make sure to disable some additional features like dialogue enhancer or volume leveler. You can also switch the Dolby mode. By default, the Smart is selected, which automatically decides on which mode to choose, but you can switch between these ones, or you can disable Dolby mode at all and instead use the DTS mode, and you can also adjust it here. And besides, for DTS mode, if you have the Dolby mode disabled, you'll be able to go to advanced settings and adjust the equalizer for it by selecting the equalizer option and manually increasing the decibels for each frequency you see right here. So you can increase decibels for every frequency by a couple of decibels, and then try checking your sound volume once again. But if this still doesn't help you, then as the last resort, you can perform a factory reset operation on your device. And to do this, you're gonna have to go to device and software and navigate to the last option, which is reset to a factory defaults. After that, you will lose all the data from your TV, so all the apps you have installed, all the media. So make sure to back it up somewhere before you do that. And after that, select reset to factory defaults, then set up your TV once again. And as a last resort, this option might as well work for you. And that's basically all the troubleshooting steps for this video. I really hope that it helped you, and if it did, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.